This August 16th and 17th, Wounds Australia Queensland is putting on their regional event for the year. This year, we're heading up to Hervey Bay. Amazing town, right on the water. If you haven't been to Hervey Bay before, beautiful place to visit. We're also making it a day and a half event. So on the Friday afternoon, we're running a series of workshops. There's 3 to choose from. You'll have time to get into 2 of them. And these workshops are compression, dressings, and negative pressure wound therapy. So for the compression workshop, you'll be hands-on with 3M, applying their Coban compression bandaging to help you with your venous leg ulcers. And that'll be followed by Essity coming in with their Jobst garments and the new Faro wrap so that you can keep these healed patients in compression and keep those recurrences down. The dressings workshop is actually going to be structured around wound bed prep, so the tissue component will be led by Mernlicker. Moisture is going to be managed by Hartman, and then we've got Convatec discussing your edges and peri-wound and what dressings they have and products they have that can help you. Our negative pressure workshop will be led by KCI, and you'll actually get to play with their range. As you know, KCI has quite a large range now of the different kinds of negative pressure devices, right from the big, heavy duty stuff in the hospital all the way through to community. So you'll get hands-on again with all of these amazing devices. Now on the Saturday, we follow a more traditional conference program where we have a range of speakers looking at contemporary topics in wound and skin care, and these are things like the bariatric patient, diabetic foot ulcers, lymphedema, Indigenous issues, how are we going to close this gap, and more. And of course, the venue is absolutely beautiful. I'm looking forward to trying the food myself, and I'm also looking forward to seeing you all there.